Alright y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to another video. I'm finna grab this stuff, get this stuff out the truck. I'm over here at Joe Buddy Racing. It's another box Chevy build update video. Hope y'all gonna enjoy this. After I drop this stuff off in here in the shop, I'm gonna holler at y'all about something before we kick everything on the way, cause I need to talk to y'all about it. But I'm about to grab everything got and get in the shop. Y'all pretty much saw everything already. Gauges, these some fittings. That's for the turbo car. We gotta do some, and you know, fuel line, do a fuel line. Oh, it is something I got that y'all ain't saw. Y'all saw the radiator. Telling you the radiator. Somebody asked me if it'll fit in an 85. That link I put in the description of that video, yeah, it'll fit. Any box here, any B body, pretty much. But let me see. This what I didn't show y'all. I actually didn't show y'all these valve covers. Like I said, I'm going cheap. Amazon. Everything Amazon. Somebody said I ain't tell prices, man. Listen, I'm gonna do a whole video about that. Y'all just watch the video and do a whole video. But this, like, the radiator was like $160. I think it was $160 if I remember right. The valve covers were like 70. Y'all, man, it's super loud, man. It's super loud. But these the valve covers right here. These the valve covers. Some of them aluminum well. So I ain't show y'all them, but link in the description too if you want these same valve covers. Link in the description. Like I said, they was $65 or $70 or something like that. But the link in the description if you want these small block Chevy valve covers. So I didn't show y'all them. I forgot to show y'all them. We finna get in the shop and wind blowing there. I'll show y'all the block and all that. That monster right there. There's a monster on this and work on and stuff right here. I just want to show y'all this. This first thing you see when you come in the door. Other shop, so I had to show y'all that. But get over here. Just put it right here. Okay, it's slipping out my hand. I still gotta get these put on. Y'all, I'm gonna do a video. I don't know. I might get a lock, a key or whatever, and get them put on. But I still gotta do that. Over here at the other side, and y'all see and got it all painted up. So what's the plans coming up next with the motor and everything? We're gonna put the short block together, and I'm gonna show y'all every step of it, how to put it together. Like, I've seen some YouTubes where they just show you how to put it together. I mean, I'm gonna detail it every step, how to really put it together. And that way, you probably put yours together after I get through showing you this. Probably put your own together. But that's gonna be the next step of it when I cut that in there. But I always try to paint these blocks. I always base it to paint it black. I always base it orange first, and then I put the black on top of it. See, I painted that side. You can tell this side. That's what I want to show you. So I painted orange first. That way your base black, when you put your black on it, it'll shine better after you get it in the car. Right. That's why you see orange on the block first. Then I go back and put the black on it. And that way the black will shine better. Right. On the block itself. Yeah. So we got it painted up. And like it was, the whole block was orange the other day, y'all. But he got it painted up. So he gonna show the short block. I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch it, cause you know he come here working night. But if anything, it'll be on his channel. The name of the channel on the screen right now. Just type in Joe Buddy Racing. Make sure to go subscribe, cause he dropping content on a regular basis too. But this is it right now. And like I said, I'm liable to come back next time and the whole short block be put together, like I said, the whole bottom end in there. So, but either way, y'all will get to see it between my channel and his channel. Y'all will get to see it come together piece by piece. But I'm about to go out to the car and show y'all something that Aunt just told me he noticed on the car. It's a big plus. So I'm gonna jump to that next. Then let me show y'all this.
This the transmission going in the box. 350. It's a, y'all see that, Showtime transmission rebuilds. Hit him up. He does all of my transmissions. Bad man from Mile to Wild. Did transmission in the Camaro too. But that's the transmission. We got a it's a 350 full manual valve body. It's not a reverse pattern, it's a forward manual valve body. Y'all see we got the installed the little converter in there. This is a 3000 converter. Gonna work perfect with the camshaft we got in there. Camshaft gonna be a solid flat tappet, not a solid roller. Solid flat tappet cam. Said 3000 style converter. It just stamped steel and all that. So this transmission going in there, like I said, hit up Showtime transmission rebuilds. Number on the screen right now. He ships worldwide. It's a lot of y'all already hit him up, cause you know, from Cheapskate, from my S10. So that's what's going in the box. So we're gonna slide out here to the box and show y'all what's been discovered. Alright, so look, came to the back of the shop. Soon I walked in, Aunt said, "Hey man, you need to go out there and come on, dog. Took myself out. God, too muddy. Took myself out. Man, too muddy. But anyway, and I done look. Man, let me get down here, man. Doing all this for y'all and stuff. Let me see what he talking about. Let me see. I'm gonna have to lay down, man. I can't. I have to get down and oh, okay. Look, excuse the view. I know it's sideways, but let me see. Let me see if I can get better. Let me see. Y'all probably ain't gonna be able to see it, but man, hold on, man. I got to make this so y'all can see. Oh, there we go. Ah, okay. Y'all see that? Not that. I'm just looking at that. They got to be fit. Well, look at that. Right there. Adjustable trailing arms. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so now, since I'm back from back from inside the shop, basically, I'm back in the truck, let me holler at y'all before I continue this video. Now listen, man, I got a comment on the video, which I get some of these comments every now and then, every blue moon, from individuals or whatever, basically saying, and yeah, you probably gonna look at this too, but I can't remember the exact YouTube name, but basically saying I act like I'm a nice guy, but if you message me on Instagram, then I don't care about you. Listen, I don't care about answering every message. I don't. I'm gonna go keep it real. I'm a grown man. I don't care about answering every message. I'm not going to answer every message. I don't have time to answer every message. So yeah, they get that out the way. Do that affect me being a nice guy? No. Am I gonna answer every message? No, I'm not. I'm telling you now. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna answer every message. I don't have time, man. I have this page. I got 4 YouTube channels. Collectively, I get thousands of comments a day. I do. I'm one of the few that actually do come on and read all the comments. Sometimes I might be some days late, cause I got a comment saying sometimes you can come read your comments. I'm like, sometimes you can pay attention. When you see those hearts, that means I have read that comment and I love the comment. I don't put a heart on the comment for no reason. If it's some BS, of course I'm not gonna heart it. But it doesn't mean I haven't read it. I go back and read the comments of my recent uploads because I can keep up with it. But you got to keep in mind, I have people commenting on videos from years old. Like collectively, I have a huge inventory. I have this page, J Malcolm 2004. I got a fitness channel. I got another big rim channel stuff. I got 4 YouTube pages. I have a big Facebook page with 430,000 followers. I get messages on there, thousands of comments every day, no lie. I have 2 personal Facebook pages where they blew up. I mean, they maxed out. Those 2 pages are maxed out, and people actually inbox me a lot on those pages too, and I can't get to it. I have an Instagram. I get a lot of DMs and a lot of comments and a lot of mentions. I have TikTok. Man, I got so much stuff. So before you make a stupid comment like that, yeah, I'm calling it stupid because anybody that made a comment like that in the past, going to make a comment or whatever, that's stupid, man. That's straight stupid. Before you do anything, you always put yourself in that person's shoes. Not stand outside of the fence looking in. You can't stand outside of a fence and look inside a factory and think you know how that factory operates and just put something together on how that factory operates. You can't do that. That's dumb, man. Like, that's dumb. And I just call stuff how I see it because that's a dumb comment. If you comment on anybody's profile like that, that's got somewhat of a following, that's crazy. And I got a family. I got 2 daughters. I got a wife. I got other family I look out for and take care of. Hey, man, I'm not about to even try to respond to every message. I do respond to people. I holler at everybody whenever we at the tracks and stuff or wherever I see people. Coolest person ever, most humble person ever. And I'm not about to come on here and try to convince nobody either. I'm not about to do that either. I'm not about to try to convince nobody. You think what you want to think. Because if a person has ever came on my social media making a comment like that, they probably already done went out talking BS anyway about me, and I care less. Now, from this point on, you one of the people that feel like I should be obligated to answer everybody. Hey, listen, man. You can unfollow. You can start watching. I ain't trying to sound like an asshole, but it is what it is. This is how I feel. I stand on what I believe in. But if that's how you feel, you can go on about your way. I'm talking to anybody that ever made a comment or said, hey, like I said, even my phone gets flooded now. I'm about to get a whole different number because I'm missing texts from family members, calls from family members. This real life. Cause my phone, be flooded now because people just randomly give your number out. You know, I don't do that anyway to nobody. I always ask them, hey, can I get your number? This and that. Like last night, I just talked to a guy I met at the track, man. He a huge supporter. His car been featured on my other channel. I talked to him for an hour. Man. I was working. I was in the middle of working, but I'm like, man, this guy support me so much. And I talked to him 2 times at the track, and I know he a genuine person. I talked to the man for an hour, trying to give him the game on YouTube because he want to start a channel. I talked to a lot of people on Facebook. So, now I don't have time, man. I got a personal life too. I don't have time all the time, and I'm not about to even attempt to try to please everybody or talk to everybody. I'm just not gonna do it. Like, it just is what it is, man. You gotta respect that. But anyway, that's enough of that. I just want to talk about that. Now let's get back to what this video is supposed to be about. So y'all stay tuned in. Let me get off on here, man. Whew. Alright, now I gotta darken it up. But them definitely not no stock trailing arms. So that's a good thing. It's definitely a good thing right there. Many times I done laid down and looked at that rear end. I ain't never noticed that, so that's a big plus. Trailing arms, they help out. They help out with launching and all of that stuff. You tweak them and all that, you know, help set pinion angle. Well, not necessarily pinion angle, but I'm just talking too fast. I'm getting ahead of myself, but basically it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So got the car off the trailer. So I might be working on. I actually can go to AutoZone and get the key for this. So I'm gonna go get the key. Go buy that today. I might go ahead and switch these things out. Put the police tires on there. These bad boys right here on there I got from LKQ. So I might do that today. I'm trying to keep y'all. Let me get it light. Yeah, I caught them from LKQ. In the interior, I saw some of y'all saying do factory interior and all that. This a budget car, man. I mean, I'm not trying to make it perfect by budget. I'm trying to stay under 10. It's so easy to get to it. Like, I'm already at I'm at 3,000 for the motor. That's a very budget conservative motor. Like, trust me. I'm at 3,000 for the motor. 360 small block Chevy 360. The interior, I'm make do what I have. I'm gonna use the factory steering wheel for now. I'm gonna get this car running. Y'all see the clear coat peeling up there. But I'm gonna ride this car just like this. Now I ain't gonna put new carpet. My bad, camera cut out, but yeah, I ain't gonna put new carpet in it. There's some little cheap, man, you can do. I don't like how that carpet all crunched up and stuff, and they'll put new black carpet in there, take our seats out. Y'all gonna see what changes you can make when you get it cleaned up. I'm gonna video all that when the car get cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, just stay tuned in. We're gonna see what today has to offer. I'm trying to show y'all how much it possible. We might mess with the motor some today, or like I said, I might try to put the rest of them tires on. Y'all see I got one on there. Might try to put the rest of them tires on and get the old SUV tires out the back, man. Them Tahoe tires back there. So just stay tuned in, y'all. Let's see what I get done today.